Hi guys! In this tutorial I will show you how to create this easy and elegant mixed braid of braids. This is created using very simple basic braids, so this is great for beginners too. First I will create the small braids to the back. These I will use to create the big braid. So simply 3 strands, and then just move the strands from side to the middle, and I prefer to create this braid pretty loose because later on I will pull the other braids through the stitches, so that will make doing that more easier. Create the similar braid also to the another side, as you can see. Next I will start to create actual braids for the hairstyle. So I take some hair on side, again separate the hair in 3, and after that start the braid, regular 3-strand braid. All you need to do is move the strands from side to the middle. You can do it moving the strand over to the middle or under. It doesn't really matter with this hairstyle. When you braid it for a while, pancake the edges of the braid to get more volume for the braid. After every pancaking, continue braiding a little bit more and then pancake more. Keep on repeating this until the end of the hair. Also create a similar braid on the same place to the other side. As you can see, now I move lower on my hair, taking again some hair and braiding a regular 3-strand braid. Pancake also edges of this braid. And once you've finished this braid, tie the end with the elastic, and remember to do the same to the other side. Yet I'm taking the last piece of the hair from this side and braid regular 3-strand braid, just like before. Yet do the same to the other side. So total you should have, after this braid, 3 bigger braids on both sides and 2 smaller braids behind that I will use to create one singular braid. So total of 8 braids. If you have less hair than I have, you can also create, for example, 2 braids for each side, plus the braids behind. Okay, now I start to create one braid of all of these braids. First, I take the rightmost small braid and braid from the left side. Then I just gently pull the left-sided braid through the small braid on the right side. Now I take the topmost braid from the right and small braid from left, and again you need to pull the stitch open. That's why they are easier if they're a bit loose, and then just pull the braid through. Now I take those braids I've already pulled through on the front because I don't want to mess with all the braids. If you can see what you do, this is absolutely much more easier. Then I just continue braiding in this way. Take alternately braid from the another side and pull it through the small braid on the another side. So always the left braid through the right braid and right braid through the left braid. Again, left braid through the right braid and the right one through the left braid. Now I've pulled every braid through once and I start again from the topmost ones. So left braid through the right small braid and right braid through the small left braid. Keep on repeating this until all the braids are together using these small braids. Here you can see the final result of this look. I added to the braid some wildflowers from our garden. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Also, if you would like to see more hairstyles, I will post every day to my Instagram account called My Hairstyle XO, and you can follow me there to see more hairstyles. Thank you for watching and have a great day.